The one thing that makes everything better is freshly homemade cookies, and even better when they only take 1 minute and a microwave. Yes, that's right. Today I'm going to share one of the amazing and extremely simple recipe of microwave cookie in literally 1 minute. And if you will enjoy this video, then please don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe our channel. Please make sure to click on the bell icon to get notification of all the upcoming recipes. So let's start making chocolate cookie in a microwave. To make chocolate cookie in a microwave, first of all grab a small bowl and take 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Now add 1.5 tablespoon of sugar and mix them well. Keep mixing until sugar dissolves completely. As you can see, sugar has dissolved. Now add 2 drops of vanilla essence. That's completely optional. If you don't want to add vanilla essence, or if vanilla essence is not available, you can skip it. Once it's mixed well, then add 3 tablespoons of plain flour or all-purpose flour and mix it well. When it will get mixed well, it's gonna be a bit crumbly, but that's completely fine. Now add 1 tablespoon of chocolate chips or a finely chopped chocolate cube. You can use any chocolate. Then add literally just 2 teaspoons of milk. I'm using full cream milk, but you can use semi-skimmed milk as well. Now we need to form a dough, so I prefer to make it with my hands. Make a smooth dough ball. As you can see that it's not crumbly at all. Having good balance of ingredients is really important in this recipe. Place the dough on a microwave safe plate which is greased with the butter. Press it gently to give it a shape of a cookie. I'm going to do it with my hand because I need to show you the thickness of the cookie. Please don't make it too thick or too thin. As you can see, that's the thickness that I normally prefer, and it always comes out really well. So put some more butter on the plate and place cookie on the plate. Make sure you use the plate which is a microwave safe. And now it's time to do the magic. I'm going to put the cookie in microwave for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, we're going to check it. It's a bit hot and it started to get a little bit crunchy, but it's quite soft at the moment. So cookie went back in the microwave for further 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, you will notice that it's still quite soft but quite hot, but that's completely fine. So leave it like that and let it cool down. As it cools, the cookie hardens. Please make sure not to overcook the cookie, otherwise chocolate will get burnt and cookie will be too hard. As every microwave is different, so you may need few seconds more or less. It's time to test the cookie. As you can see that the bottom of the cookie is cooked perfectly well. It's crunchy from outside and soft from inside, and that's called a perfect cookie. It's definitely a must-try recipe. Share it with your friends and family. But don't forget to share your experiences with us. And if you will enjoy this recipe, then don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe our channel. Make sure to click on the bell icon to get notifications of all the upcoming videos. You can also choose to watch our next video or a playlist from the screen. You can even subscribe us using the button on the screen or use a link mentioned in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay safe, stay connected.